I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for some winter content. I decided to point my heading north about 2,600 miles from Northwest Washington all the way to Tuktoyaktuk and start looking at what lies up in the Arctic. The journey starts now. Been driving for 8 hours, 37 minutes. We are now 476 miles into this adventure. Day number 2, Prince George, British Columbia to Kitwanga. 700 miles into the journey. Start putting in the hours, start laying down the miles. Then the reality sets in that this is going to be one hell of an adventure. Vanderhoof, Canada, geological center of British Columbia. Now halfway through BC. That feels good. This right here is the start of the Stewart-Cassiar Highway. I have a feeling that this is where the adventure is truly going to start. A little bit of a treacherous drive right now. Several inches of solid ice over the top of the actual road surface. If I touch the brakes, tires lock up and I just slide. 1,200 miles since I left Northwest Washington. That right there is a sign that welcomes me to Yukon. This right here is the Arctic Circle. It's been a hell of a push, it's been a lot of driving, but it's been a hell of an adventure. After more than 40 hours of driving, I'm standing in the most unbelievable winter landscape. Mile after mile just clicking by, 17 to 18 more hours to go to reach the Arctic Ocean. It feels like it's just never ending. So far I've driven all the way to the very top of British Columbia, all the way through the Yukon, and now entering Northwest Territory. We have officially entered the insanity zone, negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's get this show on the road. We got a trip to the Arctic Ocean to make.